Welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can disable filtering in Telegram. Well, that's pretty easy, but the only thing you need to know is it's not possible through Telegram app. Instead, we need to go to a web browser. It can be in your web browser or mobile browser. Both works fine. Now, in the search bar of your browser, just write Telegram web and search. Now click on the first link called web.telegram.org. Now we will be taken to our home page of Telegram. Now in here itself, at the left hand side, you can see a hamburger menu. Just select it. Now we want to navigate to settings. From there is privacy and security option. Just select it. Now if you scroll down, there is a sensitive content section. Just tick on this checkbox, and in your account the filtering will be disabled, which means sensitive media in the public channels on all your Telegram devices will be displayed and not covered. Now you know how to disable filtering in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding disabling filtering in Telegram, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.